Hey guys, it's me, Hillbilly Hank, again. I have this guy named BJ.
Hi guys.
Today, BJ will learn what poison tastes like.
Wait, what?
Yep, I said it was a surprise. But first, why is your name BJ?
Oh no, it's not. My real name is Blake Jr. BJ's just a nickname.
Okay then, here's your food thing.
Wait, do you have a keel?
Yeah, let's go with that. Yeah.
Wait, what?
Oh, it's nothing. Okay, here you go.
Oh, that tastes awful.
Oh, quickly guys, hide the body fast. Hey guys, Aiden DeBest. Hope you enjoyed that cartoon animation animatic kind of thing. I hope, yeah, like, comment, subscribe, do everything good. My brother wrote it, my brother voice acted as BJ or Blake Jr. Yay, thanks to him.
Yep.
Anyways guys, I gotta go.
Thanks
Bye!
to me. Yeah.